Place the adhesive tape over the outside portion of your existing deadbolt to hold it in place. Remove your existing thumb turn from the inside of your door and make sure to save the screws. Tear off two sides of the adhesive tape. Fix the mounting plate with screws. Install the adapter. There are three adapters for option. Adapter A, irregular shape. Adapter B, rectangle shape. Adapter C, flat shape. We choose Adapter C because the lock tailpiece is flat-shaped. Install Smart-Lock G30 on the mounting plate properly. Remove the battery cover. Use screws M3 to fix the lock-in Smart-Lock G30 on the mounting plate. Take the insulation strip out and install the battery cover. Fix the auxiliary card for installation on the Smart-Lock G30. Secure the door sensor to door frame with adhesive tape as card shown. Rotate to adjust the position of the product logo. We suggest to remove the adhesive tape on the Wi-Fi bridge and stick it. Ensure the surface is smooth. Power on the lock-in Wi-Fi bridge with the USB Type-C cable with your own adapter. Fix the keypad mounting plate with the adhesive tape or screws. Remove the battery cover. Install two alkaline batteries and install the battery cover. Fix the keypad on the mounting plate.